Alright guys, another well done job. Alright, eject these last two bales. Again, I'll show you how all this goes without boom. Nice stuff. Stuff's a little itchy. Just keep moving back and forth and kind of pull ahead a little bit. Excellent. All right, pull ahead, make sure we get that bale off. Ready to cruise home and blow it off. A lot of work to do yet tonight. So every job we try to clean the chamber out, make a new bale. Those are the dogs there, they'll lay down and that's what pushes the bale out. Everything looks good inside there. Getting some wear to her. That means one thing, right? Putting some bales through her. Let's go ahead and fold the end up. Now I put this chain on here so it don't bounce any extra pressure on the cylinder. We're ready to go home. That don't look good there. Not sure what's wrong with that clip. Let's get this going down the road. Like I said before, I hope everybody's having a great day.